Bird flu virus has the ability to survive for extended periods of time. Birds infected with it continue to release the virus in feces and saliva for as long as 10 days. Touching contaminated surfaces can spread the infection. These are the risks of bird flu. You may have a greater risk of contracting bird flu if you are the following: a poultry farmer or poultry staff, a traveler visiting from these affected areas. We should also be watchful of the following: birds, animals, or people exposed to infected birds and their byproducts, someone who had eaten undercooked poultry or eggs that may be infected. We also need to watch a healthcare worker caring for infected patients, a household member of an infected person. And please share this video to help other poultry, gamefowl owners, and bird owners. Please like and follow our Facebook page Nature's Bio and follow us on Instagram at Nature's Bio for more postings and updates. Also, visit our online shops in Lazada and Shopee. We have the link in the description box. This ends our presentation. Always take care and stay safe. Thank you and God bless.